Dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, today I have a terraced house. As you can see, it's the orange one in the picture. It's here on the quiet part of Observatory. There's not much happening. It's 3 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon, and as you can see, it is peaceful and quiet. The streets are clean, which is typical of Observatory these days. Let's go and see what this house looks on the inside. It's got a very nice small private garden. There are buchu. There's this lemon smelling herbs. There's a lemon tree. And all kinds of other shrubs and plants that I don't know, but this is your little hideaway here in the garden, in the front, where you can sit outside here in peace and quiet. Now let's go and see what the house looks like on the inside. It is light and airy, tile floors in the passage through to the kitchen. However, the bedrooms have wood floors. As you can see here, the main bedroom overlooks your garden. It has loads of built-in cupboards. Gives you a sense of what this is all about. Down the passage we go to a second bedroom, which is now more like a office. I think this lady was working from here. The owner is moving to Hog Bay. She wants to be by the sea, and that's the reason for the selling of the house. This whole area at the back, outside of that window, outside your back door, is north facing, so you get lots of natural light coming in from that end. Here you can see the lounge, light and airy thanks to this north facing sun. You can sit out here in the sun in winter. It's open plan with an eat-in kitchen. There are twin washing up basins. There's more than enough built-in cupboards, as you can see here. And there's also a dishwashing machine right here. Down we go, and then you have a huge laundry, lots of built-in cupboards here. Again, very nice and sunny. There's a washing machine and a dryer. Ample space here with wood paneled walls, lots of built-in cupboards, and then very special, most unusual full bathroom, luxury in many homes, where you have a corner bath. Look at the tap fittings everywhere, and there's a water closet and a shower over there. Can you feel the quiet? Anyway, now we're going to the north side of the house, the back courtyard area. The house has a tile roof in a good condition. Everything is working, and then from this side you have got beautiful views of Devil's Peak. The lady has created here a bit of her own garden. Look at these chilies over here, and then at the very back is a door that leads to an alleyway, but that's been closed in. Now, when you want to know more, Werner, I'm your man. Please give me a call. I'd love to show you around. The cottage is in central and Observatory, and a 5-minute walk to Spar. I look forward to assisting you further. Thank you for watching.